Hello everyone, Jai Mahakal. I welcome you all in the second session of Spoken English language program which is based on my book Let's Speak English. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। अभी तक हमने जो देखा एक सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में देखा था सेशन 2 पर बेस्ड, कैसे हमने स्टार्टिंग करी, कहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट करा। तो एक पूरा जो था वो बन के रेडी हुआ था हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन। नाउ आई विल शो यू हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ। जितनी भी क्वालिटीज़ हमने देखी थी, हमारी स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, देन हॉबीज़, एम, रेजोल्यूशन, पर्सपेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव, इन्हीं पर बेस्ड किस तरीके से बोला जाता है, कैसे अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया जाता है। So as I told you, the way to stand for female is like this and for the male is this. Initially, you have to stand like this so that your decency could be maintained, and you should select the attire like your clothing accordingly wherever you are going to face your interview or wherever you are going to introduce yourself. So let's start. हम शुरू करते हैं कि अपना introduction कैसे दिया जाता है। So first of all, stand like this, then hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sonia Chadha. As far as my academic qualification is concerned, I completed my schooling from St. John's Senior Secondary School, which is at its zenith today. I completed my graduation in science. I am double PG. I completed my post-graduation in computer science and MA in English literature as well. As far as my technical skills are concerned, I am DOEIC O and A level certificate holder, which is an undertaking of the Government of India. My strength is punctuality, optimism and joviality. Because I feel if you are punctual, you can pace ahead and can accomplish your task well. You can progress day by day. And of course, I am a positive thinker, so I do carry optimism in me. And I am amiable as well because I love to be friendly with others. That's why I carry amiability in me. My hobbies are playing indoor games such as chess, because I like making plans. And in outdoor games, I like to play badminton. I also like listening to music, soft music and bhajans, for I am devotee of Lord Shiva, so I love to hear Shiv bhajans. And my weakness is I do believe in 3D. 3D stands for dedication, devotion and determination. I am dedicated towards my task, whatever I have to accomplish. And I am devoted towards the same because I feel that work is my God. So I am definitely devoted towards it, and I do carry a firm determination in me so that I can accomplish the task at my level of satisfaction. My aim is to be an educator and to sustain at this position so proudly so that whatever I am standing in front of you, I want to be a good educator. My resolution is to learn this language more deeply, more analyzing way. And my resolution is to be a good learner of English language because I feel that English language is an ocean. Collect as much as you can. Perspective in my life is I feel that life is a challenge, face it. Objective in my life is to be a good human, and I would like to be known for my efficiency in this particular language so that I can educate well others and can serve my society. So that was all about me. Thank you. Fine. So this was your description, your introduction, how to introduce yourself. So you all need to practice a lot, keep practicing to master your skills in English. Bye.